water so pure, even angels might cry. Waterdrop G3P600 RO system. Tired of playing guess the flavor with your tap water? The Waterdrop G3P600 reverse osmosis system is your ticket to pristine, contaminant-free hydration. Featuring 8-stage filtration, it removes chlorine, lead, fluoride, arsenic, and more, ensuring restaurant-quality water straight from your tap. NSF, ANSI 42, 58, and 372 certified, this system guarantees safety, purity, and peace of mind. Unlike clunky, outdated filters, the sleek, tankless design fits neatly under your sink, maximizing space. No more plastic bottles, no more bad taste, just pure, crisp, and refreshing water at your fingertips. Upgrade today and taste the difference. Why settle for mediocre when you can have industry-leading performance? The G3P600 boasts a 2-to-1 pure-to-waste ratio, meaning less water wasted in lower bills. With a 600 GPD high-capacity system, it delivers fast, consistent flow, filling an 8-ounce cup in just 8 seconds, perfect for busy kitchens. The smart LED faucet provides real-time updates on water quality and filter life, so you'll never guess when it's time for a change. Unlike traditional RO filters that need constant monitoring, this one does the thinking for you, ensuring effortless maintenance and peak efficiency. Let's talk money-saving genius. This system practically pays for itself in bottled water savings alone. No more hauling heavy plastic or wasting cash on overpriced filtration pitchers. The automatic flushing feature extends filter life, while the quick-change design makes replacements a breeze. No tools, no plumber, no stress. Plus, its tankless structure frees up 70% more under-sink space, meaning your kitchen stays clutter-free. Every sip is a win for your wallet and the planet. Built to last, the G3P600 is a durability powerhouse. Constructed with premium, lead-free materials, its high-efficiency reverse osmosis membrane ensures consistent, long-term filtration. Unlike bulky, breakdown-prone systems, this tech-tested unit is designed for years of hassle-free performance. NSF-certified safety and quality mean you get nothing but the best, and every glass is as pure as the first. Bottom line? If you want pure, refreshing, contaminant-free water without the hassle, this is the system for you. No gimmicks, no nonsense, just top-tier filtration at its finest. Click Add to Cart now and turn your tap into a premium hydration station.